Good day, kids! Today we're going to learn consonant F. Letter F. Capital or big letter F and small letter F. The sound is F. Help the father and son catch fish. Name the pictures on each fish. They all begin with letter F. Are you ready? Good job! They are firecrackers, foot, 5, fork, fairy, fence. Let's make the sound of F and name the pictures. Fish, 5, fairy, fan, feather, father. Now your turn to read. Good job! Name the pictures. Tell where you hear the sound of F. Fig, fence, fireman. Where did you hear the sound of F? Good job! The sound of F can be heard in the beginning. Fig, fence, fireman. Now read the next pictures. Elf, leaf, wolf. Where did you hear the sound of F? That's right. The sound of F can be heard in the end. Elf, leaf, wolf. So the sound of letter F can be heard in the beginning or in the end. Let's read the beginning sound F or F. Firecrackers, F. Fireman, F. Fence, F. Fig, F. Faucet. Now ending sound F. Scarf, elf, leaf, biff, roof. Put a box around the pictures that begin with F. Put a circle those that end with F. You may start now. Let's check if you're done. The pictures that begin with F are firecrackers, fireman, fence, fig, faucet. The pictures that end with F are scarf, elf, biff, leaf, roof. Did you get all the correct answers? Wow, awesome!